Hello everyone, I hope I'm audible. Welcome to lecture number 14 of your quadratic equation, and we have started with problem set. Soon we will complete it. I hope my screen is visible to everyone, and we'll start with the problem set questions. Believe me, they are going to be easiest question provided your concepts are very strong and you have paid attention during the practice set questions. If not, it's an open platform. You go to the playlist, you go to the lectures a number of times, and it's open for you. Okay. So without wasting time, let's start with the session. We'll try to cover maximum part in today's lecture. Okay. So problem set, main question number 3. Find the value of discriminant for each of the following. Mind you, I will revise you few things. That discriminant is denoted by delta. Delta ऐसा भी denote करते हैं और ऐसा भी denote करते हैं. At present your textbook shows that notation is triangle is equal to b square minus 4ac. Getting this value is possible from the general formula of quadratic equation. Okay, and we'll start. There are only 3 questions. We'll complete it within 10 minutes. So first question is 2y square minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing it with general formula. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here you are going to get a ka value as 2, b ka value as minus 1 and c ka value as 2. Now for finding delta, that is discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So it is advisable to substitute the values in that, which is equal to b square is minus 1 the whole square minus 4ac, which is equal to 1 square is 1 minus 4. 2 into 2 is 4. So here it's going to be 1 minus 4 into 4 is 16. So here it's going to be minus 15. Therefore, I was asked the value of discriminant denoted by delta, which is equal to minus 15. Now let's go for the second question. I hope the first question is clear. I am not going so fast. Okay, second question है. Let me just copy the question first. 5m square minus m is equal to 0. Compare it with general formula. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 5. B is equal to minus 1. अच्छा B C नहीं है इसमें. There is no constant term available. Mind it. Okay. So B is equal to minus 1 and constant term है नहीं, so it is going to be 0. Now we need to find delta. There is something wrong with my slate and pen today. It's not working properly. So delta is equal to nothing but discriminant b square minus 4ac. abc का वैल्यू तो मिल गया है. So here it's going to be इधर भी c कोइंसिडेंट है, इधर की by का वैल्यू इधर भी -1 है. -4ac. इससे तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता बिकॉज वो पूरा टर्म ही 0 हो जाएगा. अच्छा -1 का स्क्वायर. हाँ, तो इट्स 1 minus 5 into 4 into 0. So here it's going to be 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. Delta is equal to 1. Okay, let's go to the third question. I don't know what is started. Let me just go to the third question. What is the third question? It is root 5x square minus x minus root 5 is equal to 0. Again, it's simple, don't worry. Root 5x square minus x minus root 5 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to root 5, b is equal to -1, c is equal to minus root 5. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here it's going to be -1 the whole square. See the coincidence, here again it's -1. ठीक है? b square minus 4ac. C is what? Minus root 5 it seems. So here it's going to be 1 plus 20. ठीक है? 4 5 is 20, minus minus plus होता है, so delta is equal to 21. I hope it makes easier for you. Okay, so in the meanwhile, I'll just copy the next question and you all can complete this part. Okay, just give me a moment. Chalo. So just copy this much. I will just open the textbook in the meanwhile for copy pasting the question. You just write it down. Fourth question is, if one of the root of quadratic equation, if one of the root of quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0, is minus 2, then find the value of k. Simple question it is. One you all can solve. I have that full confidence in you all. So please try it. In the meanwhile, I will solve it for you. I hope the question is visible to you all on the screen now. If not, just give me a moment again. It's taking a lot of time today. I get there is a network fluctuation from my end. Okay. अभी तक तो आज जाना चाहिए था, आ गया. So one of the quadratic equation, one of the root of quadratic equation, okay, minus 2 find k. So see, x is equal to minus 2 is root of the given quadratic equation, barabar. So x is equal to minus 2 is root of the x is equal to minus 2 is root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, so now substitute x is equal to minus 2 in LHS. डायरेक्ट कर दिया तो भी चलेगा, सिर्फ बोला है रूट है तो सब्स्टिट्यूट वी आर नॉट चेकिंग, बोल दिया आपने को, तो सब्स्टिट्यूट x is equal to minus 2 in the root of given quadratic equation. Hey, sorry, x is equal to minus 2 in the given quadratic equation. In the root क्या, substitute x is equal to minus 2 in the given quadratic equation होता है. बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चन में छोटा छोटा मिस्टेक होता रहता है. ओके, anyways, jokes apart, let's substitute. What I'm going to get, 2x square plus kx, 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 into minus 2 square plus k into minus 2 is equal to 0. So here it's going to be 2 into 4 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. So take 2k on the other side, I would suggest. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 2k. 2k is equal to 6. K is equal to 6 upon 2, if I'm not going wrong, since I just went on solving. Okay, so K is equal to 3. Okay, mind you all, I am not interested in K is equal to 3. I am interested in value of K is equal to 3. So final answer लिखना नहीं भूलना. Therefore, the value of K is 3. Value of K is 3. Okay, done with the fourth question. Let's start with the fifth question. See, these questions are easier. If you think I'm going fast, do let me know. But as per me, it's easier. Since exercise questions में ऐसे ही सारे questions किए थे. Okay. So let me just copy paste this. Two roots of quadratic equation are given. Frame the quadratic equation. So दो root दिए, उससे quadratic equation बनाना है. So इसके लिए prerequisite है कि you should know the formula. I'll just paste the question. I hope the question is visible to you all now. Which formula do we use? Can anyone tell me? To form the quadratic equation, we use the formula. This is the prerequisite. Please see to it that you remember it. Here it's going to be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the way we form. Provided alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic equation. ये याद रखना, वरना पूछेंगे अल्फा बीटा क्या है सर, so it's of no use. So alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. So shall I start solving the first question? That is 10 and minus 10. So let alpha be the 10, let alpha is equal to 10 and beta is equal to minus 10. So let alpha is equal to 10 and beta is equal to minus 10. I hope my screen is visible because यही fear रहता है आजकल screen ही नहीं दिख रहा है पूरा lecture record कर दिया. Anyway, so now you need to first of all find alpha plus beta. So thus alpha plus beta is equal to what? 10 plus minus 10. 10 plus minus 10 which is equal to 10 minus 10 which is equal to 0. Then find alpha into beta which is equal to 10 into minus 10. So here also I won't write that cross sign which is equal to minus 100. So now you are having alpha, you are having beta. 1 and 2 मत मार्क करो बाबा. It's hardly 1 या 2 mark का question. Maybe 1 2 mark करेगा तो कैसा आएगा. Thus required quadratic equation is the required quadratic equation is okay. What is that? The required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Don't forget that is equal to 0 or else it will cost you heavily. Since we this quadratic equation बना रहे हैं हम लोग ये formula use करके. Therefore substitute x square minus 0x plus minus 100 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 100 is equal to 0. Okay, is the required quadratic equation. Is the required quadratic equation. Shall I go for the next question? Are you finding it easy? Okay, I'm not running with the question, but I hope you are able to understand. Here it's 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 plus 3 root 5. So let alpha is equal to, थोड़ा shall I leave the space a bit? थोड़ा अच्छा दिखेगा ना? Let alpha is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 and beta is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 3 root 5. Okay, now find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. I don't know. Need to restart my system. So let alpha plus, thus alpha plus beta क्या आएगा? Thus alpha plus beta is equal to, yes, please let me know what is alpha plus beta here. It's going to be 1 minus 3 root 5 plus 1 plus 3 root 5. Perfect. Yes, do let me know. What is this equal to? Minus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5 तो गया बचता है 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. So alpha plus beta I am getting 2. Now we need to also find alpha beta which is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 and here it's 1 plus 3 root 5. Now kids, what you all do, you just look at this but yo, what is this rubbish? Anyways, 1 plus 3 root 5 ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा a minus b and a plus b. Okay, this is your a minus b. If you all pay attention carefully, this is my a minus b and this is my a plus b which is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so just write it like this. It is going to be 1 square minus 3 root 5 the whole square. ऐसा ही मत छोड़ो, इसको सॉल्व करो. 1 square is 1 minus 3 square is 9. Root 5 का square is 5. So it's going to be 9 into 5. Here it's going to be 1 minus 40 which is equal to minus 38. 1 minus 45. What are you doing? Here it's going to be minus 44. Easy. So alpha plus beta मिल गया, alpha into beta मिल गया. Thus required quadratic equation is the required quadratic equation is व्हाट इज इट? क्या आएगा फॉर्मूला? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा एक्स प्लस अल्फा बीटा इज इक्वल टू जीरो. What is it then? It is going to be x square minus alpha plus beta x. What is that? 2x plus alpha beta. What is that? Minus 44 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus 44 is equal to 0. Okay. This is the required quadratic equation. Don't forget to write. This is the required quadratic equation. Going for the third question. Jaldi, be quick, 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 quick. Come on. I want to do maximum because completing square method भी बाकी है. Okay, so third question क्या है? Where is that? ये रहा. 0 and 7. 0 and 7. What is this happening? Just give me a moment. कुछ तो हो गया. Just undo that part. हाँ. So 3, 0 and 7. Shall I leave some space? So let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 7. So alpha plus beta, thus alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 7, which is equal to 7. So alpha plus beta is equal to 7. Alpha into beta, 0 into 7. Zero itself. So alpha beta का वैल्यू क्या आया तुमको? 0. So thus required quadratic equation is required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 7x plus alpha beta 0 is equal to 0. So x square minus 7x is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Okay. Shall I go ahead or should I wait for you all to complete? I'll complete. I'll just copy paste the next question. That is main question number 6. Determine the nature of the root. The question is easy, but again, it will take time, and we are having 12 minutes. So I will quickly do that without wasting time. Come on. Exactly at 30 minutes, we will end the session. This will be the last question. Question number 6. Okay. Again, it is having 3 subparts. So I'm not waiting for you all to complete. Just quickly write it, or else just pause the recording and you can view. There are some prerequisites you should know. Delta is equal to 0 मतलब क्या? Delta greater than 0 मतलब क्या? And delta less than 0 मतलब क्या? Delta is equal to 0 बोलेगा तो real and equal. Delta greater than 0 बोलेगा तो real and unequal. Delta less than 0 बोलेगा तो no real roots. No real roots. Okay. So this is the prerequisite one should know. And now let's jump to question solving quickly. So first of all, you need to compare because तुमको discriminant find करना है. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 7. We need to find delta, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here it's minus 5 square. Thank God minus 1 nahi aaya. Minus 4ac, which is equal to 25 minus 12 into 7. So 25 minus 12 sevens are kitty. People, if you all don't know this, I'm going to hit you all. Huh? It's 84. Tables bad nahi abhi tak. So 25 minus 84 is minus 59. It seems that delta is less than 0. It means that roots are not real. Roots are not real. And this is the nature of my roots. So roots are not real. Starting with the second question. I hope I am not going too fast nor I am going too slow. This speed is, I guess, perfect for each and everyone since we have covered this part in practice set and we have solved ample of questions on it. So I assume that you all are genuinely going through the videos. Now second question is root 3x square plus root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Compare it with general form. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to root 3, b is equal to root 2, c is equal to minus 2 root 3. इसमें तो कुछ चेंज नहीं कर सकते since it is the part of the equation. So now we need to find delta. So substitute and find delta का value. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac which is equal to क्या है b का value root 2 square minus 4ac. तो माइनस माइनस प्लस होएगा उतना तो मेरे को पता चल गया. आगे का देखते हैं. रूट 2 square is 2 minus 4 को फिलहाल as it is रखो and here it's going to be root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into minus 2 है क्या? Am I confusing you all or what? So it's going to be 2 minus 4. रुक जाओ. Here it's going to be 2 minus 4 of minus 6 if I'm not wrong. So it's going to be 2 plus 24 क्या? एक मिनट रुक जाओ. हाँ plus 24 ही आएगा. Please cross check the answer. Huh? So 2 plus 24, it's going to be 26. So delta is क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Delta is what? 0 से ज्यादा है ना? उसका मतलब delta is greater than 0. It means that roots are real. Roots are real. It means that therefore I'll just write it neatly. Therefore, roots are real and unequal. Last question for the day. That is main question number 3rd. M square minus 2m plus 1. Comparing with, I hope I have copied the question rightly, वरना तो इधर ही wrong हो जाएगा. M square minus 2m plus 1. Yes. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. And let's check क्या मिल रहा है here. So it's going to be a is equal to 1, b अच्छा ये इधर 0 आएगा. मेरा ध्यान 2 बार गया, कुछ तो गलत, कुछ तो मैंने मिसिंग लिखा है. ठीक है. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. I am interested in finding nature of root which can be identified using the value of delta which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, just give me a moment. D square minus 4a. I don't know, लिख नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं. हाँ, ac b square minus 4ac which is equal to what is b का value? Minus 2 square minus 4ac, that is 4 minus 4 which is equal to 0. And so sweet of you कि delta का value क्या आ गया? 0. Finally we are waiting for the most awaited result. Delta का value 0. उसका मतलब क्या है? Roots are real and equal. So with this we are done with the today's session. Meet you all very soon. Roots are real and equal. Meet you all very soon in the lecture number. ये कौन सा lecture है? Meet you all very soon in lecture number 15 of the topic. So I'll end the session. Thank you all for attending. And what else is remaining? There are many more questions to go. So more two lectures. That will be lecture number 17 tak, and then 3 lectures for completing square. So 20 lectures lagenge. Completing square I will take later on. First I will go to Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So meet you all soon in the next class. And till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself and have a good day.